Hello, it's Gart here, and my crazy idea on how to make a portable hot water shower. All you need is 3 simple things, and some of it you may already have. One, a rubber expandable hose. This is what makes it all happen. It's because when this hose fills up with water, it gets longer, but it also makes pressure inside of it, that it stores that pressure. Second thing, a simple little handheld sprayer. And what makes it all work together is this little valve right here. It screws onto the end of your hose, and it has a little valve inside of it that when you turn it, you allow water to flow in or not. So we'll put it all together and I'll show you how it works. Screw this onto your end of one hose, one end of the hose. Screw the faucet, the sprayer onto the other end of the hose. And then you only need one other thing, and that's a supply of water. Which I have right here. So we'll just screw this on. And you can see that there's nothing happening right now because that valve's closed. So when I open the valve, it's now letting water flow into the hose. And the hose is filling up, it's getting a little heavier. And you can see it growing, it's expanding. And you can see that it's almost done growing. And that's about it. So turn the valve off there, turn the water off, and there we go, portable water. So let's just go to the back here. Okay, so now I have my water in the hose, it's all contained. I could use it just the way it is, or if I wanted to make a hot shower, I could just take this and just lay it out like that and put it in the sun. Let it lay in the sun 20-30 minutes. That black hose will heat up, the water will get hot inside of it, hot enough that it'll burn you, so be careful, but that'll make you a really hot shower. So we're just going to pretend like I waited 20 minutes. Hey, it's 20 minutes later.
Careful, there's some ugly red ants there.
No, those aren't ants, those are little bugs of some sort.
Okay, good.
Alright, so now I've got a hose full of hot water, and to use a shower, all you got to do is just squeeze the hand. And depending on how fast you use the water, it doesn't give you a lot of water, but it gives you enough that you can take a little quick rinse off. If you were back from the beach or so, you could rinse your feet off. And there it is. And to get more water, you can always add a second or a third hose. This is not really a big hose. It's a 25-foot one. But a real simple way of having something that you could take down. Like I said, you could fill that up. You're at a campground. You could walk down to by your grill or something. If you rinse your feet, hands, or whatever. But it's kind of a simple little portable water. Thanks for watching. Bye.